Hi, this is Beth with Spaces Renewed. We're here at our Fairbanks Ranch whole house renovation that started as a little renovation and is now a whole house renovation. We're about halfway through where all of the demo obviously has been complete. Now we're doing all the rough-in with all of like the pipes and the electrical. We're doing a lot of waterproofing, preparing for the tile install, which starts this week, which is awesome. Doors and windows that are going to be changed have been removed, so there's like a lot of plywood everywhere, but now it will start to come together visually as we start to put everything back in. So we took all the guts out, fixed everything behind the walls, and now is the fun part. Okay, this is the master sitting room, and I love what's going on in here because if you look at the before pictures, the fireplace is undersized and off-centered, and that's never my favorite application ever. So originally they were gonna do nothing, but obviously we all know that's not gonna work in the long run. So now the sitting room is gonna have this beautiful, large, centered fireplace, which works perfectly in the space. This whole space is gonna be a plaster detail. We're not gonna put any tile or anything like busy on here, just a clean modern plaster. This will serve as like the ledge mantle area, and it's just gonna be a very peaceful scene right here. Plaster, fireplace, glass, log setup, and just look really organic and natural. Once we did all the demo, we did find buried steel beams in the wall. So again, those can all be moved, depends on how much time and expense you want to spend. But if you can accomplish the intent of your design while not moving the very expensive steel beam, then it's a win-win for you and for your client. So when we found this steel beam, we decided to redo our design to kind of work with it. So instead of having our cabinets go up to the top of the lid, which is close to 10 feet, we're bringing it down, doing a nice drywall box out so that the frame element will still be there and represented in the design. I don't ever present a client with something that I feel like is a concession. I present them with options, some of which are more value oriented, but not with a concession. We don't like that. We provide everything electronically via QR code to all the subs on site, plus our team. What's cool about this QR code is it's dynamic, so every time we make an update, it's auto-updating. So the subs can have their iPad up on a platform here and then scroll through the plans. They can zoom in on anything. Like we were just talking about in the master, you can see all of the reasons why all those measurements are so important. I have floor, gap, vanity, amazing edge, backsplash, and center wall-mounted faucets. So we give our subs as much information as humanly possible so that they feel confident when they're on a job site and they can just have everything at the touch of their fingers.